Looks like a usual rubber tube, right? But what's this? Not quite usual. It is a Maxis MVS tube, which stands for Modular Valve System. Normally, the valve stem is glued into a tube, like this one. Instead, the Maxis MVS tube has a threaded connection. Further attached to it is a valve stem of your preferred length and color. On super deep rims over 70 mm, this could be a reliable alternative to finicky valve extenders. Rim profiles shallower than 70 mm are well covered by ordinary light tubes. Such tubes are now available with non-removable valve stems up to 80 mm. And these ordinary tubes are seriously cheaper than the Maxis MVS ones. This might be a reason why MVS hasn't become super popular. Anyway, it's an interesting technical solution, especially for super deep rims.